But thanks a lot for watching. I really appreciate all your support. If you made it this far, I really appreciate you. Thanks a lot. Next video should be out in like a couple days. Yeah. It should be out in a couple days. It should be out in a couple days. A couple days. A couple days. Well, oh shit. Well, technically it has been a couple weeks, but I don't think that's what I meant. God damn it. All right, well, roll the intro.
It's 10:33.
Alright, let's see if I remember how to do this. Welcome back to Recipes with Ray. I'm Ray, and yeah, it's been a minute. Actually, it's been more than a minute, but I'm back. And I feel like I've been saying that throughout all the old videos. But this time I really hope that I'm back. Yeah. What else? What? Should I go into why I haven't been uploading? Nah. But yeah, I'm back. To those of you that are still subscribed, I know I saw a couple that unsubscribed. To those of you that are, bro, from the bottom of my heart, bro, I don't even know how to say it. It's more than thank you. It's more than a thank you from my part. But yeah. Anyways, like I said, I'm back, and I plan on uploading a bit more than, you know, that drought. What else? Oh, I'm officially 21 now, so that's big. That's big. ¿Qué más? Yeah, that's enough words for now. Let's get into the cooking. Alright, so yeah, I'm back, and I'm back with the cooking. So I wanted to make something like elaborate and stuff, so like, oh yeah, you know, I'm back. Look what I can make. But then like, nah, let's just take it simple. So what I'm gonna do is something that actually started off the cooking series. Not on this channel, but for those of you that remember, I started off, you know, doing all this on Snapchat and stuff. And the first thing I ever did was some chicken wings. So boom, that's what we were gonna do. This is like something that I really like to eat. And like anytime, if you give me like a plate of wings and stuff, bro, that's just a bomb. Like, I ain't even gonna hold you. But yeah, all right. So we got some chicken wings right here and stuff already. You know, cut them up and washed. Yeah, we'll go with that. I washed it with water and stuff, and yeah. So we're just gonna do it the way that I know. So you could either do this in an air fryer, you could throw it in the oven, and that's what I'm gonna do. Alright, so basically all you're gonna need is chicken wings, big bowl, and we don't need this for now. Big bowl, and some flour. It's like a cup of flour and like a teaspoon of baking powder. Yeah, baking powder, not baking soda. Alright, so we got baking powder right here mixed with the flour. Obviously you can't see it because it's white, so but still, boom. Well, first things off, you need gloves because at the end of the day, it's chicken. Alright, so got our gloves. We're just gonna throw the chicken into the big bowl. Oh shit. I got napkins under it because I did have it in the fridge, and chicken is, you know, moist or whatever it is. So, boom. Alright, so we got the chicken wings here. Boom. Now we got our flour and baking powder. We're just gonna toss some of it in. If you do this, don't toss all of it in. I did that one time and then it just clumps up, and that's just not good. It just clumps up in areas. we got gloves. Fuck it. So just add the powder in, you know, just a bit at a time. Make sure it's all coated and stuff, because that's what you want. Yeah, I figure while I'm doing this, I could, you know, talk about why I haven't been uploading. And mainly it's just one thing. I just really didn't have the time, or, you know, not ideas, the resources to do the food. Like, I'd have the basic stuff, but then it's like, or I'd want to do something like big or elaborate, and then it just doesn't turn out. So what happened with like the one time I tried doing this like homemade Pop-Tarts or homemade Hot Pockets, I don't even remember, but the video never came out because I just didn't like how it came out. And that's another big thing. I've recorded some stuff. I've recorded stuff that I thought was good, but then while editing it, it's like, nah, it's really not that good. So I just, you know, I just dumped it, or just forgot about it. But even while doing this, it's like a standard that I just put to myself. Like, would I really put this out? Would I really like to show this? And, you know, sometimes it's just no. So yeah, so I have like a strict not really strict, but I have like a standard I set, and it's like, will I really like this going out? And sometimes just, you know, the answer is just no. Sometimes, you know, it's just a shit video. Basically, let's just say it like that. It's a shit video. You know, if I don't enjoy it, I don't think anyone else gonna enjoy it. So why send it out? So yeah, and that's mostly why I haven't been recording. That and the time, like I said. Alright, so we got the wings coated and stuff, the flour. Now we're just gonna season it, because there's nothing worse than some fucking also stale. Some unseasoned wings. Remember, what was it? A couple weeks ago, we ordered some Buffalo Wild Wings, but we asked for like the sauce on the side. And like, you know, I just, you know, tasted like a wing and stuff. Just like a wing, just regular. Bro, and that, it tastes so ass. Like, no wonder they need this sauce. The wings just like that is just ass. Alright, so we got some salt and pepper. Got throwing some paprika. I'm probably doing the wrong thing by seasoning this. But you know what? It's my wing, so you know what? Charles. I'm getting aggressive for no reason. Alright, so we got garlic powder. Throw some of that in there. Some onion powder. And what is this? Some cayenne pepper. This is good. Alright, cool. So yeah, so you just give all that a mix. I could have put it in the flour, but I just feel like it gets lost in all that flour and stuff. So I'd rather just put it at the end. But if you want to put it in the flour, that's on you. That's just, you know, how I feel. But yeah. So anyways, yeah. Like I said, I'm 21 now. So that's a big plus. That's, you know, something I could probably incorporate into the videos maybe soon. It just opens up a lot of possibilities. Alright, chickens are coated and seasoned. Now we're just gonna move on to cooking. Ooh, got cold. Alright, what do I need? Oh yeah. Alright, so we got this thing here. We got the wire rack. We also got this so that, you know, stuff that drips down, it really doesn't dirty the baking dish. Baking sheet? Yeah, baking sheet. Alright, so I could touch the raw chicken. I just don't want to. got gloves for a reason. Alright, so put them here. So make sure that if you're doing this and you got a wire rack, make sure you like spray it down with some Pam or something. I already did that beforehand. That's why I'm not doing it now. But yeah. You're gonna want to space them out evenly so that they all get some room. Alright, so we got these wings here already on the rack. We're just gonna throw them in the oven I had preheating at 400. We're gonna throw them in there for 20 minutes, then flip, then throw them in there again for another 20. So in total, 40 minutes of cook time. Alright, so the wings are still cooking in the oven. It's been a while, but we're gonna get on to the next part. Should just clean the area and stuff. Alright. So yeah, let's move on to the next part. Alright, so we got our chopping board here, a knife, we got our potatoes. We're basically making homemade French fries. So when you're doing this, you could either peel them or leave them like, you know, with the skin on, like Wendy's does. So this is a faster way, so I'm gonna just do that too. Alright, so basically all you're gonna do is first off, you want like an even French fry. So you're just gonna chop off the ends. Boom. Then right here, just gonna cut a bit off so that the potato is stable. See, look, you really don't move. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So I got 3 potatoes. We're just gonna cut them like that, and we're gonna throw them into some cold water that I got here. Basically, it just washes it out. It washes out the starch. Okay, first off, just cut this in half. Okay, how was I do the last time? Because the thing is, you want like an even French fry. So, and we'll cut it a bit more. There we go. Alright. It's gonna be a wedge. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Just throw that in there. Boom. So same thing with the other ones. That could be a wedge. Where am I in? Oh, yeah. I'm thinking of the KFC wedges. Those were some badass fries. So yeah, it is very simple. You just what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just throw them in the air fryer. Alright. Oh shit, we got one more. What else should I talk about? You know, going into this, I had so many topics to talk about. Right now, I'm just fucking drawing a blank. I don't know, my brain does that sometimes. Like beforehand, I'd just be thinking of things to say. Then when the actual thing comes, like, just dumb quiet. I don't know. I'll probably think of it after. That's what usually happens. I was gonna give these a quick rinse because I should have used the bigger bowl. But yeah, other than that, I'm just gonna throw them in the air fryer, and that's that. Alright, so we got our fries here, all washed and everything. Yeah. So now, like I said, we're just gonna throw them in the air fryer, and that's it. We got our air fryer basket here. Bring this thing over. Alright. Just gonna take that. Yeah, we'll do it batch by batch. Throw some of that in there. You want them to get evenly fried, because if not, some's just gonna end up soggy, and that's just shit. Alright. Pretty good. Alright, so this is the next batch. Over there. Take this. You gotta make sure to plug it in. There we go. You gotta make sure to plug this thing in. Alright, so... Oh shit, it does got fries. Alright, so it's there for 18 minutes. It's just gonna do its thing. Alright. We'll come back after 9 minutes to flip it? Yeah, flip it. Alright, so it's been some time. And yeah, fries are done. Alright, let's just take one. Oh yeah. They're crunchy. But still soft on the inside, so that's pretty good. Alright. Boom. So just gonna take them, I'm gonna put them here. We're just gonna let those for a second while we fry the next batch. Let's just throw in a little salt and pepper. Don't worry, we're gonna season the fries later once they're all done. But yeah. Alright, put it there for some more time. And yeah, we'll come back when these are done now. Alright. Alright, so fries are almost done, wings are almost done, and yeah, all we need to do now is just the sauce. Alright, yeah, all we need now is just the sauce. So we're just gonna do a simple hot honey sauce. Doesn't require much, but it's still fucking fire. We got our hot sauce, got the honey, and we got some butter. Alright, so now we're just gonna go over to the stove and we're just gonna do the sauce. Alright. Alright, so as you can see here, we got our thing. Boom. Right here, let's turn this on real quick. Alright, we're gonna keep it on medium heat. Yeah. Alright, so now we're just gonna take some of our hot sauce and just throw it in there. Just don't miss. Alright. There we go. And a bit more. Alright. So we're just gonna let that heat up for a second before we throw in the honey. Alright, so once it starts looking like that, then we're just gonna throw in the honey. Alright, there we go. I had a little bit of honey, so I'm just gonna use all of it. So yeah. Alright. Alright, so after that you're just gonna mix it up. And yeah, that should be good. Get out. Alright, so once it starts smelling like pure death, that's when you know that it's good. But I'm gonna add some butter. And that's just so it can, just when you put on the wings, it just, you know, makes them shine or whatever they say on there. But yeah, it just helps out the sauce. All right, and it tastes good too. All right, so we're just gonna cook that out until the butter's melted. And yeah, then we should be done. All right, so before I bring out the wings, we gotta get the fries first, since that's gonna be on the bottom of the plate. All right, so we got our bowl here. I'll put the fries back in here so they won't be cold. All right, this is both batches. Still crunchy and good. Yeah. Alright, so now we're just gonna season them. Alright, so just throw in salt and pepper. Some onion powder. Not that much. Some garlic powder. There we go. Just toss them up. May lose a couple of fries, but that's what it is. Alright. Which is good. Alright. Now moving on to the main event. We got the wings. You can see they're golden brown. I don't know if you can see it, but I gotta get another bowl because this is the same bowl that always spills. But boom, golden brown. Let's just throw in a little bit of salt and pepper. Here. Now we just got our hot honey. There we go. There we go. Alright, so just coat it. Just move them around. Bowl gets hot. Alright, fuck, we got tools. The sauce is hot and sweet, which is good. I don't really like that much hot stuff, but I love sweet stuff. It's hot. This hot sauce is really both. Yeah, it tastes damn good. Alright, so we got our hot honey wings here. Let's just get a plate. We brought back the square plate. Fries. By the way, I always wash my hands, so it's good. All right, now we got the wings. Oh, you could smell the heat right now. Usually I can only breathe through one nostril, bro. This shit will clear it right up. I'll tell you that much. Go. Alright, fucking like I said, we got tools. There we go. Onions and tongs here. Damn, it's so much easier. Dip it in the sauce. Dip it out. This is what basically started the channel, like I said. Because before I started doing this on YouTube, I started doing it on Snapchat. This was the first ever thing I made. Although not like this. I remember I fried them. I fried them in oil. And stuff. But over time I found like other ways that are like better, healthier I guess, and faster. So yeah. Like good. To say tribute? Fuck it, yeah. So So it's like a tribute to like when we started the channel. And shit. And hopefully we'll continue the channel. Like I said, this wasn't the first choice of that I was gonna make today. I could have gone with something very elaborate. I could have. But at the end of the day, this is really me. I don't want to get all sentimental and stuff, but yeah, this is me on a plate basically. I love wings. I love everything about it, and I keep spilling. This with the top, that's why I'm dirty. There we go. Damn. We're on that Hell's Kitchen shit. Alright. Spin that plate. Put this over here real quick. Alright, yeah. So yeah, I could have gone with something elaborate. And the thing is, before I did this wings video, I had already done something else. But thing is, I don't know, I just wasn't feeling it. I wasn't feeling it. And I was asking people like, you know, for inspiration and stuff. It's not like I don't know what to cook. It's not like I didn't know what I wanted to cook. It's just, you know, if something else came along that sounded better, yeah, I'm gonna do that. So I was asking people like, oh, you know, what's your favorite type of dish and stuff. And I got some responses and stuff, but at the end of the day, I decided to go with wings. And yeah, the other thing I was gonna do was some rolled tacos, but I remember that's like the thing I did before this video, the previous video on this channel. So yeah, alright, enough talking really. Well, kinda. I really didn't do much talking in this video. But yeah, that's it. That's the wings. They smell real good. The fries taste real crispy and crispy on the outside. And what they say? Not flaky. I don't know. I don't know how to critique fries, but all I know is they're good. Right. So yeah, that's it. These are the wings. Some hot honey wings with homemade fries. Alright. So yeah, that's about it. So thanks a lot, you guys, so much for watching. If you clicked on this video, thanks a lot. I know I usually say, oh yeah, I'll see you guys next week and stuff, and then I just don't. But no, I'm trying to get back into the groove of things, like they say. I'm trying to get back into the groove of things. But yeah, hopefully I will see you guys next week. I do have stuff planned to do. Right now, one of my plans is to eat this plate of wings. But other than that, I have, you know, ideas planned, you know, collabs and stuff. You know, it's not just you know, cooking here, right? That's the thing. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. You really don't know how much, but I appreciate you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Please share the channel. I'm gonna put more content out so that this channel can grow. And yeah, every time I just forget how to outro, so I just wing it. Yeah, thanks so much for watching. I hope you did enjoy. If you didn't, let me know down below, and I'll try to improve. We're a small channel after all, so we gotta start out that way. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you next week. And yeah, that's it. Bye. Please tell me I was recording.